Hi, this is Cousin Russ. I'm going to start a new series for Grins and Giggles here on Back to Basics for Family Tree Maker. I'm going to be demonstrating Family Tree Maker 2014, and I'm going to start with what I consider, and it is my best practice for file maintenance. Um, I talk about it a lot um, in person and when I'm trying to help someone, but I thought I would record rather than talking about it. I'm going to record what I consider to be good file maintenance. So I'm going to the planned workspace, and I've been working on this file for a while. We're at the end of the day, and I'm going to make it the end of today for this presentation, just for if I'm done doing what I want to do for the day. So basically, it is going to the Tools menu, and let me zoom in a little bit so you can see a little clearer about what I'm doing, and move the screen down to the important part where I'm going to Tools, and I just happen to be in the planned workspace. It doesn't matter what workspace. I generally do start at the planned workspace, and when I close down, I am in the planned workspace, and there's a number of reasons for that. Basically, the sync feature, which I'm not going to talk about on this one, I probably talk about later, but this is what I consider to be good file maintenance. So I'm going to click on Tools, and I'm going down to Compact File, and you see a window pop up that says compact file, and it gives you some options. It says backup before compacting and perform extended analysis. I always check both. I want to do both of them when I do this backup. Now I'm going to click compact. Now it's bringing me up a screen that says, okay, where do you want this file to go? And for me, that's easy. If I can find my mouse, there it is. My cursor disappeared on me. Hold on a second. Let me. Oh, I know what's wrong. There we go. There we go. Sorry about that. Now, you know what happens when you create a backup? It adds the date and time to the file name. I love that. It's automatically done. Now, what I'm going to do at the end of the date, because I may do more than one backup during the day, so I'm going to always add to the end of the date a dash and then a letter. Now, the dash and a letter just says that if I do 3 backups, I'm going to have A, the dash A, the dash B, the dash C, so that I know the order during that day that I did the backups. Now, the default setting is the working directory. That's on my C drive. I do not want my backup on the C drive, so I'm going to select custom directory, and then I'm going to click change. Now, when I click change, it's going to bring up my computer, and I have a external drive for Family Tree Maker backups. Now, what I'm going to do is select the I'm thinking here. I have a subdirectory on my external drive for each file that I have. Now, I know I normally make the backup name or the file tree name and the folder name the same, but I started this particular file and I had called it Mayflower, and I changed it, but I didn't change the folder where the backups are. So I selected Mayflower, and I'm going to click OK. So what happened here is that the custom directory where the backup's going to be is my external drive, which is letter G, and the folder name Mayflower. Now, all the backups for that file are in that folder on the external drive. I make sure that all three of these check marks are checked. And now I'm going to click OK because I've got the file name that I want. I got it on the external drive, so I'm going to click OK. Now it is doing the backup before that it does the compact file. Suppose something happened during a compact file. You have the backup that happened just before it. So I like that capability. It tells me that it's done, it's backed up. I'm going to click OK. Now it's going to tell me that it's compacting the file. Like I said, if anything were to happen, to the compact file, when it's doing some file maintenance, during the backup, there is some file maintenance done when the compact file is done. Also, some file maintenance is done. Stuff that we can't see, but there's file maintenance going on. So I click OK, and I'm back where I started from. Now I'm going to go to the plan workspace, and if I was going to sync the file, I would sync it now, just right while I'm here. But I'm done for the day for this file. I'm going to do other work on another file. Now, I'm not going to go to the upper right-hand corner and click the red X. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to click on, let me move the screen over so you can see what I'm clicking on. I'm going to click on File, Close. So I'm going to close the file that I am currently working on. It's as simple as that. It's now has me back at the plan workspace for a new file. Now, the reason why I do that, if something happens, like an update for Windows or something happened that when I open Family Tree Maker up again, it's not going to try to go find that file. It's going to just going to open up Family Tree Maker to a non-file. So I am going to click, so it is now closed. Now, oh, by the way, when you close it, there's also some cleanup that's done in the background that we don't even, I have no clue what it is, but I just know that there's some cleanup work that's done in the background. So I'm going to click File. Now I can close and File and exit. Before I do that, I need to get another screen ready. So let me take care of that right now. And that's not what I wanted to do, but that's all right. So I'm going to, here we go. Now I can close down Family Tree Maker. Where did it go? There we go. Sorry about the technical aspect here, what's going on. So now I'm going to hit File, Close, and Family Tree Maker will close down. And that is my back to basics, my best practice for file maintenance. If you have any questions or comments, it'll be in the blog post and it'll be on the website. So that's the name of the tune. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.